everyone, so today we are excited to share with you the multimedia in our daily life.
So what is multimedia? Simply put, is the combination of various content forms such as text, image, audio, and video. By integrating these elements, we create an immersive experience that engages users on multiple levels.
Now, let's explore the diverse types of multimedia. We have websites, mobile applications, video game, VR, AR, and more. Each type offers unique features and applications that cater to different needs and preferences.
Media has revolutionized communication, education, entertainment, business, and other fields. It has transformed that way we consume information and interact with technology. From social media platforms to interactive educational programs, multimedia has become an integral part of our lives.
Text. Textual content is the most basic form of multimedia and is used in various forms, such as articles, reports, books, emails, and websites. It's versatile and can convey detailed information effectively.
Image. Image includes photographs, illustration, diagrams, and graphics. They are used in marketing, education, entertainment, and journalism to visually convey information, evoke emotion, or enhances understanding.
Audio. Audio multimedia includes music, sound effects, podcasts, and recorded speeches. It utilizes in entertainment, education, communication, and marketing to convey message or evoke specific needs.
Video. Video content involves moving images with accompanying audio. It is used in entertainment, advertising, education, and communication to convey stories, demonstrate process, or engage audiences visually and auditorily.
Animation. Animation involves creating the illusion of motion through a sequence of images. It's used in entertainment, animated movies, cartoons, advertising, education, and product demonstration to engage and entertain audiences.
Interactive multimedia. Interactive multimedia allows users to actively engage with the content such as through games, simulation, VR, and augmented reality. It's used for entertainment, training, education, and marketing to provide immersive experiences and enhance learning.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy exploring the world of multimedia with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite multimedia experiences in the comments below. Keep embracing the power of multimedia to connect, inspire, and entertain. Until next time, stay creative and keep exploring the endless possibilities of multimedia. Bye!